So it is now time to run the app after scaffolding security. So this time around, we'll be creating 2 application roles as well and 2 users. Please note that before you can do this, ensure that Rising Blazor Studio status is set to ready. So after that, you can now click run. But before I click the run button, you can see that additional Razor components like login.razor and profile.razor and register application user.razor have been scaffolded for us. So let's click run. So you can now see we have a login page. So I'm going to log with username of admin, also password of admin. So now log in. Then I'll click here, the right hand corner. So at the right hand corner, I will click on rows. I'll click on the add button. So I'm going to create a role of admin. Click. I'm going to create another role called library user. So I'll save after that. The last role I'm going to create will be library staff. And I click save. It's time to so I click on users link. So I click on add button. First user will be Benjamin SQL@gmail.com. For this user will be admin. So I'll check admin when creating this user. Password will be password_1. Confirm password will be password_1. And I click save. So I'll click on add again. This time around I'll create UI@yahoo.com. The user will be assigned to library staff role. Password will be password_1. Confirm password will be password_1. Then I click save. Last but not the least, I'll click on add again. I will create user with the following email address: Olumuyiwa Benjamin1 at gmail.com. So this time around will be library user. Password will be password_1. Confirm password will be password_1. Then I'll click save. Having created these 3 users and added to their roles, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log out.